Hi, my name is Adam Funk. I'm a birth injury lawyer in Houston, Texas. The first initial phone call that you have with a birth injury attorney can be a scary one. You don't know what to expect. This video is to explain to you what to expect when you call me or any other lawyer. First and foremost, let's talk about what that first initial phone call is not. It is not a commitment. It is not requiring you to hire us. It is not requiring you to put any money down. Also important is there's no time limit on a consultation like this. If you are talking to a good birth injury lawyer, they will hear your story out and ask you the right questions. The thing that you have to know about a first initial consultation is that what we're trying to do is gather facts. Us attorneys, we're trying to understand the story. You do not have to remember every detail. The records will show that. You don't have to tell us anything about the minute by minute fetal monitoring strip and whether or not you had contractions at this time or that time. The records will show that. What we really are trying to understand is what happened before labor and delivery, what happened during labor and delivery, and then how is your baby doing right now. We're looking for red flags to understand a little bit more about whether or not there's liability here. We also really want to know about your baby. We want to hear about the limitations that he or she may have and the injuries that he or she is suffering from. The first initial consultation can be one of many. You should call different attorneys and you should vet them and feel comfortable about the one that you end up working with. Most likely, at the end of the phone call, the attorney is going to ask you to obtain your medical records, that of yours as mom and that of also of the baby's. It's important that we get those records in order to then evaluate the case with our expert witnesses. That will then go into the next step of an initial evaluation. Please make sure to watch that video when you get a chance. Again, my name is Adam Funk. I'm an attorney in Houston, Texas, and I specialize in childbirth injury cases, and I'd love to have that initial consultation with you.